We're going to do a changeover to a Gantry 100. To start, you need to get out of this screen. You need to go to your home screen. So you press your home button, the changeover will come up. Press that. It says start changeover, press these, stop. Remove product, remove cases. Press here, you stop. Start your changeover. Now it's going to ask you to cut the packer back on and enable it. So you can press here or press here. Now it's just going to ask you to wait until everything gets in the proper position. Everything's there. So at this time you'll hit this. It'll choose your product code. We're currently on 9630. We're going to change it over to 819. So make your pointer point to where you need to be and push this enter key. Then it's going to tell you to gather all these change parts wherever they may be located. Then you go to the next step. From here, make sure the track key is off. So cut this to the off position and remove it. Keep it on you until changeover is done. It's going to ask you to remove these belts and install a new set of belts. Then press the next. If you happen to press the next ahead of time and you can't remember, you can always go back. So now we're going to move around the machine. Grab the correct smart track belt. Put them in position. Move the key, we have to make the guard okay to enter. So after you take the key, press your safety, you'll get a green light. When you get the green light, then you got to remove some doors. Lift this door up. Get it out of your way. And open this door. From here, we're going to remove these smart track belts. There's going to be some blocks in here. You can get in here. Some blocks right here. I'm going to open up these two doors. Get this one out of your way, bring this one in. There's a little clip. You just pull on it a little bit and lift straight up. This out. Pull this belt out of your way. Put it out of the way for now. Then we're going to grab one of the new Smart Track belts. The 364 belt. It tells you right here which one it is. Tells you right here in front of the belt. I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to put it in the slot. Slide it back. Bring your blocks back and snap it into place. And it's locked in. And there you can push this one out of your way. Grab the one that was in front of it and pull it right out. Pull it right out of the track. Now, do the same thing. Undo these clips, lift, do a flip, lift, push this one out of your way. Second belt, bring it in a little bit different. This time we're going to snap it into place, then pull it back in. Remember to close these doors. You're done with this part. Then we close this door. Grab our protective hood. Put this in place. A little tricky, but it goes on. Go back to the front of the machine. Come over here and press your next button. Now it's going to ask you to put a new head on. Going to open this. Undo this with the two handles. Hold on to the head. Slide it right out. Put it out of your way. We're going to grab the new head, which is a 414 head. Lift it straight up. Get it in the spot, snap it, and then lock it in place. And we'll go to our next step. We're going to install the flap control plate. I went too far. It'll show you to pull this out. Grab it. Get it out of your way. Grab the new plate that I've got sitting here. Get on the 3 plate. Put this in place. Slot it in place. Lock it in. Lock. Now we're going to set the machine settings. We're going to start at 1, put it at 28.2. And that would be, whoops, wrong side. For 1, you'll see it there. Snap it and put it at the correct spot. Then you say that's complete, so you press it and get a check mark. Go to number 2, to the right angle. Come over here, press the check mark. If they're already green, then you don't have to do them. It's the same as it was the previous product code. Now we're going to go to number 5. You can always press this button. It'll give you a picture of where number 5 is if you're not sure. So we'll go to number 5. Set that to 2.0. Right here, there's 2 of them. 1 here, and there's a number 5 on this side. Up to number 2. And that part's done. Almost complete. We're going to click OK. Now it's going to check the rail rest, so we're going to loosen these 3 knobs. We have pointers right here. We're going to set that to 17.4. Pull them all out. Want the wire case. I'm going to set this to 17.4. There it is right there. Lock this one in. Set these the same way. 17.4 as well. That one's done. And one last one. So that completes that step. So we're going to say I've set all 3 of those. This one is okay. And we're going to do the last on number 10. That's that in place. I'm going to come here and take, so that's okay. Go to the next screen. Now we'll have to walk around to the other side. What I like to do, because this is on this part of the machine, and you got to walk way over there. So a good suggestion would be to take a picture of the screen and walk to the other side of the machine. Start off with the product backstop. It's currently in A. We wanted to set it to D. So we lift that up, slide this back, lift this back down so it snaps into place and you're set. That one's done. Now we're going to do these rail positions. So I'm going to loosen these 4 handles. That part's complete. So number 12, we're going to set at 4.6. Lock it down. 13, I'm going to set it to 8.4. Lock it down. 14, I'm going to set it at 8.4. Lock it down. And 15, I'm going to set at 2.6. That's about where it's at almost. Okay? Lock that down. Almost done. Then we get over here to number 16 and make sure this is set at 1. It's currently set at 6. So set this to 1. Lock it down. We'll do that to the other side of the machine that completes the changeover. We can come through here. Either way, shortest route. I'm going to come here. I'm going to say I did all of these so I can check them off. The last thing it's going to ask you one more time to make sure that those doors are closed that we opened up earlier for the smart track. So if you verify that, you say yes, another button comes up. It'll say next step. You push that till you complete it. It'll say it's done. From here, close this, you put your trap key back in, cut it on, and you reset your safety again.